The La Quinta Resort and Club is a semi-private resort consisting of the La Quinta Resort Hotel and two Pete Dye-designed public golf courses, the Dunes and the Mountain Course, in addition to resort dining, tennis, and spa facilities. Hello, this is Sheri Dettman, and welcome to the La Quinta Resort and Club. Residents in all La Quinta Resort communities can take advantage of many extra services, including room service, laundry service, and charging privileges. Social and fitness memberships, including an active tennis program, are also available for residents. La Quinta Resort real estate opportunities to consider include single-family homes, golf course condos, and luxury estate homes in the following La Quinta Resort communities. Spa and tennis villas are situated on the grounds of the resort. Santa Rosa Cove is a gated condo community with condo homes located both on and off the mountain golf course. The Enclave and Enclave Mountain Estates are smaller private gated communities of custom homes and lots located both on and adjacent to the resort's mountain golf course. Los Estados is a small gated enclave of 40 detached homes on the mountain course. Adjacent to the La Quinta Resort and Club are the gated communities of Duna La Quinta, Haciendas at La Quinta, and La Quinta Fairways, each offering condos and single-family homes, many of which are located along the resort's Dunes golf course. We've helped numerous buyers and sellers in these La Quinta Resort communities, so please don't hesitate to contact us, even with a simple real estate question you might have.